Are you ready to revolutionize the way you manage 4K video and audio distribution? Introducing the BG-4K-MA series, a cutting-edge lineup of 4K HDMI Matrix Switchers from BZBGEAR, designed to meet the demands of any setup, big or small. First up, the BG-4K-44MA with 4 inputs and 4 outputs. This compact powerhouse is perfect for smaller environments where flexibility is key. Route video content effortlessly, extract audio seamlessly, and experience 4K 60 resolution, 4:4:4 color, and HDR support for stunning visuals. For larger setups, we present the BG-4K-88MA. With 8 inputs and 8 outputs, it offers the same industry-leading performance, but with expanded capacity. Whether it's a professional AV system or an advanced home theater, this switcher provides the precision and adaptability you need. And for those who demand the ultimate in scalability, meet the BG-4K-1616MA. With 16 inputs and 16 outputs, this is your go-to solution for complex, high-performance AV installations. Its robust design and seamless control options, including front panel, IR, RS-232, TCP/IP, and the BZBGEAR Switch Control app, make it ideal for any setup. With drag-and-drop AV routing, multi-device integration, quick presets, and compatibility across Windows, Mac iOS, and Android, managing your workflow has never been easier. Plus, all units support third-party control systems like Control4 and Crestron for ultimate flexibility. No matter the size of your setup, the BG-4K-MA series delivers precision, performance, and flexibility you can count on. BZBGEAR, connect, switch, deliver.